Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix application not installed error on your Android device. If you're trying to download any kind of an application but it shows you this interface that says app not installed, then there might be several reasons for this to happen. In order to solve the issue, the first thing to do is to check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are, the next thing to do is to check for app permissions. Go to settings from your Android device and give it a tap to open. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on the three dots located at the upper right hand corner and now tap on reset app preferences. Tap on the reset button appearing at the bottom right in the pop-up, and once you do that, any third-party software can be installed on your Android device. If that fixed the issue, then that's great. If it does not, the next thing to do is to try to clear your data from your mobile device. From your settings menu opened up, select apps again and tap it on. Once you open up your app option, go to the search box and type in app installer. Once you open up your app installer, tap on storage and tap on the clear cache button at the bottom right hand corner. Soon after you make this change, you can now reboot your system by press and hold the power button and tap on restart. Once you restart your device, you might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you are not being able to install an application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.